Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so I'd like to show you the secret of how to make good brownies. You ever cook brownies and the outside is all hard and the inside is the texture you want? That's because you're not using enough brownie mix to fill the pan out. So I'm going to show you how to not only have nice good brownies even on the edges, as well as how to make them chewy and fudgy. Okay? Alright, so let's give this a shot. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. And this is also our Thanksgiving series, and I would like for you to share the video everywhere. Okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, I have two different types of brownie mix. Okay? This one, it says dark chocolate fudge. And this one says chewy fudge. Alright? And the reason why I do two different kinds is so that I can end up with a different mix. Okay? Alright, so let's open them up. So let's follow the ingredients on the chewy fudge brownies first. So it says you can add 3 eggs, or if you want fudge brownies you can add 2 eggs, or cake-like you can add 3 eggs. We want fudge brownies. That means it's going to be like thick and fudgy tasting. So I'm going to add 2 eggs. Let me do that now. One, two. Okay, so I have my 2 eggs here. I'm going to put that in. Then it calls for 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so let me get my cup measure. Okay, it's water. 1/4 cup of water. 1/4 cup. And 1/2 cup of oil. I use olive oil. So I have my 1/2 cup measure here. Okay, that's 1/2 cup of olive oil. Now if you don't have olive oil, you can use the oil that you do have. Okay, now I'm going to work on the next box, which is dark chocolate fudge brownie. I'm going to put that in. Okay, and that calls for, if you want fudge brownies, 1 egg. So we're going to put the 1 egg in. And then I need 1/3 cup of water. I got to hit 1/3 cup measure. Okay, that's 1/3 cup. water. And last, 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, 1/3 cup of oil is in. So I put the ingredients in separately, and I suggest you do that too. It's kind of easier so that because each box calls for different ingredients or different amounts, okay? Same ingredients but different amounts. Okay. So now let me mix this up. You want to mix it up until you don't see any more dry powder or dry brownie mix. And until the oil and the egg is all mixed in. Let me show you that. Okay, I oiled this pan. This is the pan we're going to use. Now, if you used only one box and you use the pan this size, that's when you're going to have the outside edges hard. So to avoid that, you always use 2 boxes of brownies, whatever 2 kinds you want to use, okay? And then that will solve that edge problem, and then you'll have the same consistency as the middle on the edge with that amount. Okay, I'm going to put it in this pan. I'm going to turn my oven on 350. Okay, and when you pour it in, you don't want to pour it all in the same spot. You want to spread it around the pan. And look and see what areas of the pan needs more. And concentrate on those areas. Okay. Okay, now you want to take the spatula and you want to push towards each edge, each corner. Corner, okay? So watch me. Corner, and the reason why you want to push it towards the corner is because sometimes it pulls away from the corner, and this is to ensure that you don't have those corners that are hard. Like I said, you'll have a little edge, but it won't be a big edge that's hard. Okay. Now I'm going to bake this in the oven until I can stick my butter knife in and I don't have any wet brownie mix on the butter knife. Okay? Alright, and we'll be back. Thank you. May I give you the word of the day? The word of the day is give thanks. Give thanks. You know, Thanksgiving is coming up, and we'd like to think back on all the things that we can give thanks for. Okay? So give yourself thanks for being a good person. Give yourself thanks for hanging in there when the going was tough. Give yourself thanks for trying to help others, and also for helping the elderly. Give yourself thanks for that, because that is worth a praise. Give thanks. That's the word of the day. Okay. Okay, so chewy fudge brownies are out. That's hot. Now you can't cut them when they're hot, else they won't cut good. You have to wait like maybe 15 minutes, and then you can cut them. You'll have straight cuts. But wet the knife with hot water every time you do the next cut, and that way you'll have a perfect cut. Okay? Alright guys, I want you to check it out, taste it. I'm going to wait and let mine cool before I cut it, okay? Love you, bye.